Well, hello, this is Kelly Donahue-Piro, President of Agency Performance Partners. And as part of our Q&A Wednesday, we're going to discuss today a little bit on how to keep your team motivated and excited. Well, people are either motivated by pain or pleasure. And what do I mean by that? People either like the achievement, the recognition, and that's what keeps them enthralled, or there's a good amount of people out there that simply just don't really want to get in trouble. And I know that sounds kind of crazy, but it's true. So when you're looking at how to motivate your team, there needs to be a few things in place. First of all, you have to set clear goals and expectations for the employee. That's very, very important. So if we know what we're trying to hit, then we can get rewards. There's a lot of agencies that tend to do rewards or bonuses just because they feel like the agency's growing and people did a job well done. I really disagree with that. I think that every agency needs to have every employee on some performance-based pay plan. This could be in the form of bonuses, or a percentage of their actual salaries are based on performance. The next thing you need to think about is, how are we doing this? There's really two ways. There's the team methodology and the individual methodology for giving bonuses to motivate your team. Now, there are some agencies that are structured more team-based, where everybody touches files. There are some agencies where you have accounts and they're really yours. That's something that each agency needs to identify with individually. However, I do recommend that there's always some structure to motivate individuals. So it's not necessarily fair to have the outcome of a team disciplined and really working together, but have maybe a few rock stars or have a few laggards that all get the same reward or non-reward. So I think that that's important to consider. Also, too, there's support staff involved that may never ever touch a client, like receptionists, etc. So you may want to include in your bonuses some plan if the whole agency, a certain percentage of people hit their goal, that person also gets a reward. But the plan I really like best after you make all these considerations is a points system. And I've worked with many agencies on this, and the way that the points system works is that for every achievement you get, you add to the points board, and when you hit a certain amount of points for the month, you get the bonus. But if you find things like sloppy work, missed phone calls, maybe, bad attitude, points get deducted. So you're not always just talking about reward, reward, reward. We're also teaching people the downside of their bad behavior or their bad activities. So for example, if a personal-line CSR or account manager is not putting new business into your management system, that's one thing I'm a big, big advocate for. They just go right into the rating software, and we never capture all that great data so you can run reports to win back clients, etc. Well, that may take some points off of her board for the day. On the flip side, if she sells 2 accounts, she gets points added. So it's a flexible system that works on both. And I love this system personally for a ton of reasons. One, it stops the micromanaging. You're really just putting points on a board and the reason why they got deducted. So people have a little bit more responsibility personally. Also, too, puts people in charge of winning the points back. And it helps us very clearly see where people's attitudes are playing into their bonus structure. So I know it's kind of a complicated topic, and the idea of putting up a points board may frighten some people at this point in time, but I promise you it's not as difficult as you think. In fact, over the long haul, after 2 months, 3 months of doing it, you'll see behaviors change pretty dramatically because front and center is exactly where everybody stands. And then at this point, everybody can be motivated differently. It could be a gift card, it could be cash, it could be time off, who knows? But it really allows you to custom tailor make a program that's right for everybody. If you're watching this and you're kind of struggling still with the concept, that's okay. That's why I'm here. Give us a call, send me an email, shoot me a message on Facebook or any of my social media channels, and we'll work together to identify a right structure for you. So I hope this was helpful, but definitely think about the point system. Pluses for good stuff, minuses for the not so good stuff, and at the end, it'll equal out into a bonus program that's highly motivating for your team. So have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you next week on our next Q&A Wednesday.